Hi, my name is Catherine Reyes. In this opportunity, I'm going to explain some example of sentences using the past modal. And the past modal is the verbs the should have and could have and would have. For example, the past modal, the meaning is verb implies something was possible, permit obligating, or able to be done in the hypothetical sense, but it did not actually happen. For example, the past modal should we can use for a recommendation, advice. One example is the if you want to lose weight, and you should eat healthy food. This is this is an example. The tool for recommendation. Uh, the second example, the could. We use could for the possibilities. One example is I had the day of tomorrow. And great. We could spend the day at the beach, or we could go shopping. And the goal for imaging result, the example is if I were rich, I would buy a boat. This is an example of the past modal, and this is my explanation of this uh, topic, the past modal grammar. Thank you very much.